Okay, Daryl here from FastTrackPiano.com, and today we're going to learn how to read music in the left hand. See this funny little thing here? This is called the bass clef, and it's for the left hand. Now, a lot of people have trouble reading the notes in the left hand. In the right hand, there's lines where every good boy deserves fruit, and the space is spelt the word face. In the left hand, though, it's different. So let's find out what we've got here. Let's come down to the piano. Now, here are 5 notes that you play a lot in the left hand. We've got C, D, E, F, and G. Now, I want you to put your left hand on that position there. Here's middle C. This is B. This is A. And then we've got C, D, E, F, G. Right, it's a little bit like that, only we're down here. Right, so let's just put our fingers on there. Let's run up and down. So, to say the letters, C, D, E, F, G. Right? C, D, E, F, G. Now, what do these notes look like? Well, this note C here is, here we go. There's the bass clef. There it is. It's in the second space. That's C. Going back to my hand, there it is. Okay. And what about this note? This note is D. So let's write that one down. D is there. That's a D. Bass clef, D. So the note down there is D, cut in half by the middle line. Now what about the next note? C, D, E. Well, let's draw E. C was there, D was there, and E is there. So there it is. What does it look like on the piano? There it is. C, D, E. Now we've got F. F is, here we go, C, D, E, F. There's F. Okay, back to the piano. C, D, E, F. So there's F. Rightio. Now, what about the next note? G. Here, let's draw G. Very good, Daryl. They're very consistent lines you got there. C, D, E, F, G. There it is. Top space. Back to the piano. There it is, G. Now, we're going to just look at these notes one at a time. Here we've got C. C's in the second bottom space, and it's there. Now, let's have a look at the banks of the Ohio. I asked my love. Now, this starts on a note that's in the second bottom space. It's a C. It's a C. So we play a C there, and we play another C. I asked. Okay, back to the piano. So it's 2 of these. I asked. Now back up to the music. So that's a C and a C. Now the next note is in the third space from the bottom. I'll bring the note over. Here it is. Third note, third space from the bottom is an E. So that note here is an E. Back to my hand. C, C, E. Right, so they're the first 3 notes of the banks of the Ohio. Back up to the music, and we've got another E. So that's an E, and that's another E. So it goes, I asked my love. That's a little rest, so we take our finger off. 2 more C's. See that? So you got same notes as there. To take, hang on, middle line. Well, we could just work this out. If that's a C, that's the next note up, so it must be a D. Let's check our little bit of writing here. Indeed it is. The middle line is a D. And to play a D on the piano, there it is. So back up to the music. Now we'll play these 4 notes. C, C, D, D. To take a walk. Okay, so let's try the whole line here. C, C, E, E. C, C, D, D. Now the next line is a couple more Ds. D, D, up one more to an E, and up one more. We would suspect that must be an F. Let's check our music. It's here, got to be here somewhere. Here it is. There it is, F. Second top line. So that note is an F. And the next one is an F2. Then we go up one more. This is our highest note. One letter up from F must be G. Then we're going to go back down to D again. Back up to E. So if I pencil in the names of these notes, this one is a C, C, E, another E. Back over here we've got another C, C, now we've got a D, D, another D, another D, that's an E, F, now the hard line, F, G, D, E. Now you could work out the rest of that, the piece, because you've got all the notes happening right there. I'm going to play those 2 lines. Here we go. I asked my love to take a walk, to take a walk, a little walk. Okay. So what did we learn today? You learnt 5 notes in the left hand. C, D, E, F and G. And they look like this. C is the second bottom space. I've got them mixed up. Shall I do a mixed up thing? No, I better go through them in the right order. This is D. This is E. So these lessons are for rank beginners. People have never played piano before. So just play them through again if you find it too fast. That's an F. And that's G. Now the Banks of the Ohio has only got 5 notes in it. There they are. So I hope you've learned a little bit about the left hand there. See you next time.